I just wanted to make a quick video. I've been doing a lot of overtime lately, and I have not been able to make any videos. So tonight, just a quick rundown and let you know what's been going on. First off, this video is being made between Palm Sunday and, well, the Tuesday, no, this is Wednesday. The Wednesday between Palm Sunday and Good Friday 2023. So for the past 3 weeks, I've been doing a lot of overtime, and I have not been able to do anything in my shop for the basement, for greeblies or anything. But just to let you know, some of the stuff that's coming up, I was able to get a few more of these things, and I'm going to paint them and put these up on those cabinet doors. We bought these lights a little while ago, and they work really nice. They're pretty bright for underneath the countertops. I'm sorry, above the counters, underneath I'm forgetting a lot of things too. The cabinets, underneath the cabinets, above the countertops. But the batteries do wear out pretty quick. And I have a project that I want to use these with to see if I can make them stay on longer. They only last about a day. Then I also have, you can't see it in this video, but the control panel for those cabinet doors I'm still working on. I need to add this connector here and hopefully another one so I can run all the wires up to the cabinets to control the doors. I have to fix this bookmark for my daughter. I have to fix this necklace for my wife. I have a project where I have these discs, and I want to put epoxy in these and make these one solid disc. Right now they're 2 halves, but I have a project for that. I was able to get this controller for an N64. It seems like it worked well. That joystick, that thumbstick seems pretty loose, so I got to see if this works, and if not, maybe replace that. And I have 2 Joy-Cons that both drift on the thumbstick, so I need to also work on these. I have replacement thumbsticks for these, but again, with the overtime I've been doing, I haven't been able to get any of these projects done. As you can see, they're backing up, and I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see this. These are small bars of soap that we've used up as much as we could. I was saving all these. What I want to do is I want to make a project of taking these, melting them somehow, and making just one big bar of soap so we can get use out of these. And I want to make a video on that, but I haven't. I need to do some research on this and actually do it then. But that's my presumed upcoming projects for the next couple months. Now these two I'm just going to work on without making a video on, and this is going to be what I do tonight. I'll get these done, and if I can get those done fast enough, I'll start, well, I'll have to not just start, but I'll have to finish a video on these, on this, and hopefully it works. I really hope that this works, because this will save a lot of battery life for us while paying for batteries. And there's a remote for these, so you can turn them on with the remote, and if I have power, if I can get power to these all the time, then I don't have to worry about ever replacing the batteries again. So that's definitely a project that I want to get to. But I just want to let you know where I was, and why I haven't been on. I'll probably post this video on Saturday between Good Friday and Resurrection Sunday. So I appreciate the subscriptions that I have, the people that watch my videos. I really do appreciate that. I like tinkering around and fixing things, so I hope that with what I do that you can glean some information from it, or at least that these are hopefully enjoyable. I hope I'm not too monotone or anything, but just let you know that's where I am right now, and I will be getting to more of these projects hopefully within the next couple weeks. I don't see me doing much more overtime, so I'll have more time to get some of these projects done. Oh yeah, I got this one too. This had a lot of interference on it. It's a cheap Chinese. Oh wait, no, it's not this one. Why did I take this one apart? This one says Radio Shack on it. Well, mystery project. I don't remember why I had this apart. I know I had another one that said made in China, and I took it apart because it was just all fuzzy. It was causing everything to be fuzzy. Maybe I took this one apart to kind of see what was inside this one to try to fix the other one, but I don't know where the other one went. Story of my life. Hopefully your life is a little bit more organized than mine and is not as hectic right now. But until later, I'll be signing off, and have a very good Easter. Bye.